Hello, thanks for joining me again. I'm doing a quick video now on the H-777 radio that, if you remember recently, I've done some reviews on. I've had quite a bit of interest on the radios. One message in particular from Cypriot Boy. He's asking about the emergency button, because on these radios it is advertised as coming with an emergency button. Now you would assume that, like with other radios like the KST, if you can see this, there's a red button or orange button on the top here, and if you press that button it actually transmits an emergency tone, as I will demonstrate in 2 seconds. I'm on PMR on this radio here. Just turn that up, and if I press that button and hold it in, there we go. Now that actually comes out of this handheld plus a receiving radio. So that's what you'd be looking for. So when they advertise a radio that's coming with an emergency button, like other people, you assume that's what you're going to get. However, with these, there's no other buttons on. You've got some side function buttons, which one's an open squelch, and the bottom one is a torch. So obviously somewhere there's going to be a combination where you can activate an alarm. Now with certain radios, I know with some of the older Motorola's, by pressing the 2 function buttons activates an alarm. With these it doesn't. So what I've had to do, I've had to have a look at the programming software to have a look, and I've come across it. So I'll show you the software and you can see for yourself, and I'll show you how you do it. Okay, so we've got the programming software on the screen. Let me just plug in the radio. Plug that in, turn the radio on, and once on we want to read the radio. This is what I've got programmed on my radio so far. Now all you need to do is to go to function settings, and where you've got side keys, select the down arrow, the little selector tab, and you just select what you want that button to do. So we're going to go for alarm. I'm going to click OK. We're then going to write it to the radio. We're going to click OK again. Complete. OK. Cancel all that off. Cancel yes. Change no. And then we turn the radio off and unplug it. And it is as simple as that. Turn the radio back on again, and then when you press your top mode button now, you get an alarm. Now, that alarm is not coming out of any receiving radio. It purely comes out of this one handheld unit here. So you can transmit, you've still got your torch. The top mode button is now just purely an alarm for this one handheld. And to turn the alarm off, press the PTT and it goes off. And that's it. Not really a very useful feature, is it? But there you go, that's what they've advertised as having an alarm, and it's got an alarm. How useful it is, I don't know. But anyway, there you go. So any more questions, let me know, email me, and I'll see what I can do to help. Thanks for watching.